right, welcome back everybody and happy Thursday. Some clear skies over Helena right now, but we are still very, very cold this morning. 25 degrees out there, mostly clear skies over Great Falls right now. Your temperature is in the teens and your feels like temperature in the single digits. 7 degrees is what it feels like out there right now. And that's the same story for most of the state. We are in the 20s and teens across the board here, and it's going to feel a lot colder today, especially with that wind out east. 24-hour temperature change. I've been showing this over the last few days here. We've been getting colder every day, and that stays the same here. 13 degrees colder in Glendive. 15 degrees colder in Bozeman, 10 degrees colder in Great Falls just 24 hours ago. It's not going to get too warm today. However, I did bump up temperatures just a little bit today because of that clearing that we have out there right now. Not a lot of cloud cover. The sun will poke through and help warm us a little bit, but we still have a strong north wind in effect, so we're not really going to warm up that much. Not really much going on the radar right now. Weather alerts, all of the winter alerts are gone that we had yesterday. The only alert remaining is our lake wind advisory over Fort Peck Lake here. This goes until 9 o'clock tonight. Could see winds of up to 45 miles an hour. So those expert boaters out there are probably the only ones out on the lake over the last few days. Here's that wind right where we have that lake wind advisory, 17 miles an hour out of the west in Glasgow, 9 miles an hour out of the northwest in Jordan, 12 out of the northwest in Miles City. Most of western Montana, relatively calm right now. We could have some wind develop later on tonight in portions of southwestern Montana. You'll see that right there. That'll help keep some of those instability showers active. But the east stays very, very windy today and early tomorrow. Still some reds showing up in northeastern Montana. We'll have some wind out here in western Montana, but not nearly as the coverage that we'll have out in the east. Friday night, wind coverage starts to die down, and into Saturday, not a lot of wind out there. We'll start to warm up as high pressure builds into the region. So we'll have some shower activity develop as early as noon today in portions of northwestern Montana near Kalispell, Cut Bank, even getting close to Helena there. By the early afternoon hours, lots of snow showers developing all along the western mountains here. Could get some flakes flying in Helena, but I think most of this activity will stay in the mountains, and it will continue into the later afternoon and portions of the nighttime. Some activity still near Helena, Butte, and Missoula. By early tomorrow morning, we'll have some snow showers forming on the high line here. This is from residual moisture from our low pressure as it makes its way on out of here. By about noon to maybe 2 o'clock, we'll get a little line here of some snow showers, not very strong, but it could make its way as far south as Lewistown before it dissipates. And then we'll have some clearing on the back end of this, and we will be mostly sunny for Saturday. Here's the snow depth that we have right now. Not much of anything here in Helena, but the higher elevations have received some significant snowfall over the last few days. So we will stay cold until Friday, and then we'll warm up on Saturday with that high pressure building in. Minimal cloud cover. Another front moves through on Sunday, which could give some of us some showers, but we'll warm back up close to 70 degrees on Wednesday.